Okwamanje ubuso namagama abanindeka kweqini kaThabo Bester, uDokotela uNandipha Magudumana, uyise uZolile Cornelius Sekeleni, wabe isebenzi senkampani yonogada iG4S okuyiye engamele ijele laseMangaung Sineo Mutswara kanye noTibuho Dimpo. Umshushisi unxuse enkantolo ukuba iyalele uDokotela Magudumana kuba aziveze ubuso oqinisekisa ukuthi kubanjwe umuntu ofanele.
What I'm saying is the court itself must be satisfied that the person mentioned in the charge sheet is in fact the accused before court. Yes, it can happen that we might find ourselves in a situation where we have a wrong person before court. I'm the prosecution, I haven't seen her face. I don't know if that relates to the name before court yet.
Umbuso wazise inkantolo ukuthi uvumelene nethimba labameli ukuthi umsolo wesibili ubaba kaNandipha Magudumana angadedelwa ngebheyili ezinkulungwane ezishumi zamarandi ngaphansi kwembandela ethile. Imantshi yakwamukela lokho.
Accused number 2, you are in custody. You are admitted to a bail of 10,000 rands on conditions that you report yourself once in a week at Port Edward Police Station any time of the week between 8 in the morning and 4 in the afternoon.
Ngaleyo ndlela abasolwa abathathu bazogcina esitokisini baze bafake isicelo sebhayili ngenyanga ezayo. Emva kwalokho bazobuya bonke enkantolo sekukhona noThabo Bester mhla zi-16 kuNhlaba lapho ke kulindeleke khona ukuthi kuqale ukuqulwa kwecala. Izindabeni ze-SABC ngingunqubeko Nzimande.